Welcome to the Natural Capital Plant Database. This is Dan Halsey. I'd like to welcome you to the database on behalf of Paula Westmoreland, one of the partners in Natural Capital, and let you know that this is the first of a series of videos that we'll do to explain the functions and the navigation of the database. We're happy to release this new structure and platform for the database. Previously it had been on a wiki platform, and now we have it on Joomla, and we've tried to clean it up and have more features added as we go along here. But please know for our past users that the functionality has not changed, and it still delivers the high quality and high integrity information for building your plant lists for design. So here we're on the welcome page with information about the database. Each tab across the page pulls down a different menu of options for information within the database. And then also know that each tab in itself is a page that can open up for more information. So if it says about the Natural Capital organization, click on that tab and there will be that information in addition to those tabs that you pull down. In this one about Natural Capital LLC, we have news about the plant database and basically how it was started and how it has progressed and the people that helped us with that, and then a biography of Paula Westmoreland, and then also myself, a little bit about us and the work that we do in permaculture and ecological design. And then at the bottom there's another tab where we will have workshops when they become available. The next tab over is about permaculture, the permaculture ethics and principles that we use in our design work is very important. It is the functionality of everything we do. It is how we apply the information and the science that we work with. And at the bottom of that also is some information on polyculture design. This will be populated more as we move along, but this is where structures will be seen. And people can find out a little more about actually applying the plant lists and the database information in implementation onto their property. The next tab over is membership. And under membership, you'll find a place where you can subscribe at the different levels. We have the public, which is open to everybody, and everyone has access to the list of our plants and detail pages about the plants. And then subscribers have additional services available as far as searching the database for specific types of plants that they might use. And then on the designer level, downloading each search into an Excel spreadsheet. And that is really great for designers. Once you've done your search for the plants that fit the niche you're working in, with the zone, the climate, the type of soil you have, and what functions ecologically and human use you'd like to have done, those lists are generated and then downloadable into Excel, and then you can go and do your design work and your plant placement from there. So you can subscribe here. Also, there's an instructional page on how to use the plant database along with these videos. And then a page of resources and links on the internet, other sources of information, and connections to colleges and universities that are doing research in horticulture. Any kind of maintenance issues and things that we have will be placed in support and maintenance. Usually any kind of problem we'll have, we will send out an email to our subscribers, but other than that, other information can be found on this site. And then, of course, the Contact Us link. A form to fill out, and we will certainly get back to you as soon as possible on any issues or any problems. This is also the place to make suggestions, to comment on the database to help us improve its service and also its function. Then the last tab is the plant database itself, the plant list. Clicking on the plant list brings you to the alphabetical list of about 1,400 plants that we have in the database at this time. These are ecologically functional plants and plants that have a human use, or both. These are listed alphabetically by common name, and then of course the scientific name and the plant type will show. Those right two columns are the polyculture designs, again, that have been devised for these plants, or the natural plant associates which occur naturally with these plants in nature. Down below, the plant list is a page to search the plant list, and in order to get into these pages, you need to be a member. You need to be registered in the plant database, or you need to be a member at the individual designer or researcher level in order to access this searching for plants or the cultivated polycultures or natural associates. So searching for the plants is a really great tool for designers And those people that are building plant lists and wish to have a comprehensive list of the plants that are installable, which are able to thrive and overyield and produce within a specific environment, that being the climate, the water, and the sun, and the rain, and such. So that's the overall look at the first look at the Natural Capital Plant Database. I'd like to thank you for your time, and hopefully you can see the functionality in the further videos that we'll do for our tutorials. Thank you.